1, 2, 3, camera, action! Oh, dito lang yan sa daily recipe. So, when you talk about like cheesecake, goes on your mind, it's this gonna be like, wow, this is my favorite one thing, especially cheesecake, that matcha flavor. So, oh, I love this. So we're gonna make a burnt Basque cheesecake. This cheesecake need to be like caramelized on top. That's why it's called burnt Basque. But inside it's yummy. You never had this. So please watch this video, more interesting. So let's start it. We have a large bowl. Our ingredients for today, of course, we have cream cheese. We need 4 pieces of cream cheese. This is 8 ounces each, so you need 4 pieces. Then heavy cream, eggs. I use 4 eggs. It's supposed to 5, so my eggs it's XL, so if you have a medium you have to use 5. And sugar, we have 1/3 of all-purpose flour, and the special one are flavored matcha. It is so good. And just 1 teaspoon of salt. And let's start it. Cream cheese on the bowl. Cream cheese and sugar in the bowl. Mix that 5 minutes. Add eggs 1 by 1 and continue mixing. Next, for our matcha powder. Scrape the edges with a spatula so it's mixed well. Next, our heavy cream, 2 cups. Here, come on, here. Wow, this is amazing. I love it. We're gonna have a burnt Basque matcha cheesecake. All-purpose flour. It's just 2 tablespoons. God, I'm so excited. This is my best handy mixer that I ever had. It's so easy to use, and if you want to buy, it's kitchen handy mixer. We have to crumple our parchment paper so it will be nicer. That's what it is. Burn, it's burn. So sweet, so yum. And it's still wiggling on the middle, but this is perfect. Look at this. You can see the matcha on the edge. We'll be back after 30 minutes. Matcha cheesecake with chocolate ganache on top and grind pistachios. God, this is it. I love it.